Kokroko ade achia bia yeda nyankopon ase yeda otumfo nyankopon ase se ode yenkwa acheye na mama ade papa bi acheye divine selection no ampa ebi aka me no mienu nti no asedan kwa na wo se yede ma nyankopon mama ma obia achi na mi sanso fa akwa abasron kokra emfa ma obia anopei wabuki appointment with Coastal TV na oni ye eba beye eye money mix dwumadie no ye da se bomode ase obekoso ane yatena kopem se eda no beko na wieye ye da se pa ye fast dey di hon so nkoma eye yaboafo anopei omaso yasen omuna mama program ni nyina aye very possible ohu ye wo screen so ye so ye gidi se ultimate na TV echi wo hwe eye omuna aye na yen fast day di kan no enkoma eye NPA National Petroleum Authority no o se yen kan che o se bomodia na enkonko ben petrol tank bia enya accident na mfa atorenche mfa ma wo ho stay back and stay safe eno ni message free National Petroleum Authority ho eba sanso ena diesel gift shop say achede nyina fie ko na kwaje wo de wo ho ena sanso ewo eye Nesto Ventures home of home appliances and electrical gadgets bibia obi onsabeka ewo ho ena eye the taste kitchen services enso emma woduane a eye tasty ewo the taste what you say Patmo print enso eye wo print no ede amount yemfa aseda emma aboafo ise omaso ya sense anopei a brand new Monday brand new Monday, brand new week, and of course in the month of July. And you know, yemfa asidano ema omoso maso ya sena yede morning mix jumedie no eba aba besomo jumedie ye wonyema bebre na yahhehha anopɛ ni yede bro he wobetie news kakra newspaper kakra nso wo ho bema commentary and sports commentary bema social commentary kakra wo ho interview kakra ba betwam wobetie motivational message enwom so be koso chese a whole lot of things and ayabo ano ayede bro wo morning mix jumedie so nti bomode ase wo message misro ya channel no 514 Coastal TV sanso na sa woko social media no so Facebook and YouTube so a obehu ye ewo ho we share wo Facebook a type Coastal TV Cape Coast and ye Facebook na sa wo share ewo YouTube so a type Coastal TV at Cape Coast nka ho na no so obehu ye ewo YouTube omodi understand the link no send the link no na fama obi send be ya no pay nyina ye benyi ye chefa ewo Coastal TV morning mix jumadie ni emu leaving no one behind. Chapter 15 verse 7 Second Chronicles chapter 15 verse 7 and found say NIV King James whatever the modern media no mean free biblelife.com or say but as for you be strong and do not give up for your work will be rewarded but as for you be strong and do not give up for your work will be rewarded now what dear show what day na ma wabomu esan say dwuma de bia wo di bia no ubenya eso abaso bodie ai se me chechi ma sana enchemu no ese na wo die asamba akwa na minyi no me ma me eta aka che me ni say ma enka se nipa nyina ne mom wo die as a some kind of exception as ye o me ensu a wo kwa wo die bomode ase obehye won sapo mu eden obe ma wo ho ayeden na afi no won pa aba as for you yakase nipa nyina esu nipa nyina pa aba me yankase won kwa wo de AFIBA de Asumesi dear, obentin dear. Do not what? Do not give up. Be strong, for your work will be rewarded. Reward, no. And it comes in two folds. Your positive and your negative. Fashion with you, sir. And you know, so yeah, the papa can who say you will get a positive reward. Oh yeah, the negative side is fine. This was negative reward now being. No man, a person will show and say, "If my papa be a wo ye biano." When sa ebeka waketia. Nyankopon te so ho or show. Ohu wakumem, onime o wakumem, na onime we ni so. Onime wo ye, onime wo dwen, onime wo ba ba ye, onime no wo ye. Nya wo ye ya na nipa ni ho ohu ye. Nya wo ya na nkofo ho eno so so ohu ye. Enti no, menye wa bi say oh nya wo ye no obia hu no obia mpo mboma baso no obia mpo nkasa maye ade e na obia mpo entonto obia mama appellations bia nipa abaso body de just a few seconds na twam banyankopon abaso body de etim hoda e wonkwa da nti anopai we any asema ye de ehye yeda no ase. But as for you, be strong and do not give up, for your work will be rewarded. Definitely it will be rewarded. Sa basubodi no echese den kra na wonsa ebeka. Etwentwen so se den kra na ebeba. It doesn't matter how many years ebe take. It doesn't matter how many decades wonsa ebeka. Sanity. Eya yemfa nhye ya adwumu se ewom se oye adwuma bi sesi a ne bia wonsa nka basubodi na kan hu se you have people called future generations after you. I Bible muno ebi wo ha omo ye bibia omo nya emfaso no immediately na omo echi omo ma ewe echi no ena be nya asa emfaso de no ane omo ma edi omo echi ena nya eni nyina it comes to the same thing. So wo na wo be enjoy you, so wo ba na be enjoy you na na bi o. At the end of the day, result no aba. So do not give up, be strong. I was listening to the Mami Bina Oka say, can we say in the next, let's say 100 years to come, no, me ye as to be ye baba be ancestors amobi. Enti no, send your wo bon pay ya Oka say ever ansana yatwa eye dwumedie no. So that is that for this morning's motivation. I hope you are motivated. Me hope and me ogidie say when you cranshe no pay when the bet was so. Pocho yate asesa. See yate asesa dia. And now let's soak ourselves in the motivational message. Now you digest the motivational message, you know, with some very, very cool and nice music. If you want to bape, news is next. In converses here.
Sikafi ya the bunny Sika papa and papa mutia ode obia be yanidio Oso mesue where you me from home amen eto amena amen ya ka tawo ko mesuse baby ye dawa listen oso mesue the way you me from home I want to me come ya me where you me from what yes you be them amen eto amena amen ya ka tawo ko mesuse
My name is Nasi. I just performed Asida on Glitch Africa.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hiya ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority, ebo bibia kokose, se fuel tank enya kwenshia, ne dania, menko ho nkwaye wadwen se, okosisa petrol anafango no. Ena afenso, menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya kwenshia ne ho, akwa kodwitwa videos, ana pictures. Na petrol anafango wo hwenso, uhua ko wumu a, enye sunsu asobone, ewo wapomoden semso. Fango nso, eho ahometinti no. Enfomso akitu ebi, ebetumi ameja tom, ama na gise wom. Eba ne saa, nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya kwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum jejuma yefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 55 Kokoboy National Petroleum Authority enede bro.
Africa me hona yentie kaseba anope Coastal TV morning mix jumedie the Mondays edition no ye wo ede ema wo kaseboy ensema obeti ebi enese nananom atena nkonwa ewo edina abomode ede eye bakatoe afahye no ede abana wiye krakra emunchiremu yede ebebremu sanso ene yebekọ osunu kokroko NPP amanyoko no emu na Kemkos North and South internal elections are so a weekend no and also ye the more amanebo ebeba ababesomo aban hihye mu ne nyansam mu o hye se yemfa enamienu bi ensi ho se National Sanitation Days na yemfa emprapra and also ye the more amanebo ebebrem ne ekọ so e wonfinfin mantem ha nyina sanso na ebekọ edwaman so na enne yakwakohwe eye floor price ahodo a yewo ewo ho nti bomade ase woni wetina na ifdina na eye bakatoe afasha ye kukuru no kokro no na me adom yetimi e dia babesi fom boko na eye memenda de wa ukọ obo modern na ukọ edina ananse elmina ne de na eseweni ensese me na me kachew esanse eye fe eye ahomka edipa dom bebre na bo modern pia bonten beka na nonom ho ma omode amama ne amane egu akwan ma chese bibia eye fefe stronko na open kese ana oti egwom eye edina manhene nana kojo kondia a otoso ensia ede nanu dinsem eto ne manfo anim ne dikan odanyankopon ase se wama ewiemu ate na nsu anto ansa edwumadie ne enyina ne okaka ho so eni
madenda seka ma eja awa wa hwana say in short time mo krado mo bompe de eja ya basra yesu sampala na so ebu yedo ya mi ay na ba ya nkan fesi wa mahe so mahe na ya afikasi akwado na mo me wie na ebugu bie wa egu eja otemu sofre da na banam ma sufra me de tunanim no osom ibia so ba he fita goda aba pimende enda na opse kakra odo huru kwan me ma ya monia kentaki araba ma hohum bia la bana owo kwan bi no wa hol odako eni anum na do fo wo men na yan kede je ya do aso my appeal to the government there Commander Sugar Factory or that was Bomazin, that was Bashe, that why and ye, ma you know when you Juma, why Masana so Mubadin there, my hospital and Nafi Adoson, a ban on share, no baba. Webukwemu wadamehen makada ma Ahmed na mesun wa kase maframa kasa wo krom wane kalsam oya tete abobo amaden na wa apel na wa abraham bas ekol na yetum yedafa maframa no oh minister of tourism museum and monument Matatasne minister Mwante baby I trace CCLA adia osu actually what you wish papa on the 9th na ka waje woman hen bi on e bi na mutu medabu ankwafo mba wo me bi nim ya nurses mo bi kra ya doctor wo mesem ne ina fiscal na minya fikasli which me ba asa wo ma municipal call wa traditional council call ne wia Enkano museum and monument was what not to I'm a castle no who baby or putsa what I elie. Wait, 9th July 1999. No, who come 09, who come one tribute. What to pass red? No, but San Washe. No, your papa, pade, mango dear, Oswa Buano. No pura guana press sala pra no so mango neda any bia beda media wa abatoko ay yo papa matuta slaban there on share
Wa afasha no ase no hokwo kese a edinama nyina yensa kan no de nanimonyam ebeta afasha no echi eye ga manche eye Kentucky take true a otoso mienu onabo modin titia ne chacha wo free crime ebe kansa ewo edina ayede afasha no ekoso fefefe na ne kasemu no na obo modin kache omanfo nyina se obi amfa no ho enje omanyem ni omani ye bia obi amfa no ho njim se na be yampunto ebeba enkanka ode ensem ni bi ekoma eye regional minister ene aban mpanyifo se emomo emabunu ene afarefo ye nanano manaso ye maame no mo ye enam ho adwuma no omfo mo ye die no omfa ne serious se na be ya mpunto efe ne se mpunto no obia ebenya bi ewo egina
entakesi wokenye ye egina ase enkan ena fanfo no wo enyano Nana Kondua Nana Kodia Oya Edina Henny in the meeting away. I say a linear Ankasa. Oh, many Mindawashi, I can see you can be a Basia. I say, I don't say, there and there, our man Abifi. Maybe this an Indian mere and your free. I say, if you remember, all the Nimiano, all the Osma, it's my man. You tell, I mean, Nichimo. I say, oh yeah, young brother, Manon, one Ejuma, or young Papa. The war, regional minister, Tawo, into a teaching matter, regional minister. I say, Menda, Osro, Nidra. Ni anya awa oplantai ni yo edna mano ase so edna ne hinum na imbrate ne maba wana awa ma kumula no omutne idwa pana onye abana wa mami ni tuolo ni tumo abane wo wole fe eyedin ebua Ose yemma menumna wako epo ana me ina wako opo na ni central regional minister also dey na ahewose afarefo yemma me ose afarefo no odey na ahewose na debia no afarefo so wako epo a won mo na no wonya one previous one no omodo dey yinam ama edina man no won pa me I say, in there, no, elimina fort, no, Usinechi. You are the first. British can go and now fort training 3 years. I say, oh yeah, you are the first. I say, Oba, and then I fought in. Oni be shem ay afi e basa British money asi ye no abofo no wote o cha mi we mo de ba abofo no British for am money amote e mo la de ba asi ye no ay abofo no British for no wote ay ki takite ya the first no e de share e na o ti shi ya Amekbe ni ameya ni amekasante ayabu. Ase le time watching no taki tell you the first no. Ase le pen amo fa fanse no ko. What's up the bank asante. Oh, ase asante no omo kwan no ko. Ewo ame bamole na kedeba wo bi e onam de binti Kentucky the first no watch him and one number eliminate fort 3 years afi basa 3 years afi basa 3 years afi papa basa me in na susu ibra etna eko ase inna aya ona akasa nena nankasa waba edina prom act
o tabi o no fanti o ba ye mo
adasuma ya no
wele is ba to na edina mamu fe emi je ma waju ti eba
ɔsi nnɛ ɛyɛ ɔba no ɔyɛ egyana a wɔtwɛn mogya ɔgu fam ɔno kyerɛ dɛ ahohom a ɔwɔ egyina aha nyinaa nsamanfo ɛwɔ nsu biribiara kyerɛ dɛ nnɛ nkira nnɛ egyina wayɛ kɔn.
Wonta jema watching kesi sign fe ashi eja kesi amegbe ye na fe
osi oda nanom nyina ase ahohom nyina awo edina ase nsamanfo awo edina nyina ase osande won so won ya na won ya homote
ewo no ni nke na di fami firo
I say, oh, catch GP Mountain, Regional Minister, there. Once and cleanliness in Yaba Papa.
Whether me engage you, me up Asamani, that's the daughter. Me AFIBA,
I say regional minister for more than na Branson or Comuna. One more than got it. Biara or one more than not a man from not a man of Muyafa.
Wei ene nsembia ewe ga manche edi tuja ewo edna bakato afasha no ase mfifi mantem swafo eye onyabo ekopen ochi edi amwa edi nanimonyam ekota dwumadie no echi na oju ho no akasa kakra na edi kan efa eye once sanitation eho na ochire mu eche kwan a eye sanitation na enye papa poor sanitation no efa na eha oman no etitiru ye Bunto ayepe ewo Ghana ha sei
mancho sede yeyi mmabu numbo na yenhwede yebesese krom oyaza oyenhiasam papa na kakra makan de ewura na asem no ama oman no bokawa abra yena na kondu almina government hospital obapede de yebebiem oka Edna man secondary school wasam oka akon wasam oka nzama bebe seko na adno wansam na kakra makan de often house to in a member of parliament in a minimum common fund kona wo fadu weche na share this time na make much a common fund na sanitation kuti sika oje oye nwura na yetugunu sika oje no ye gana ye dis education tinuma ngobotum yama ye sika bebre yenya school bebre nanso onam efi na ye ne tutuku basa nti aban boka papa wom na mepede mede dem akuntebu ichi ono obi ati ebi Ghana ye population was oloko 34 million population 34 million. Na dama for 34 million in impa 15 million. Ana wowo awodin wedum pempenda wotum water bottle water ana pure water ni bi wanom. Dama 15 million in numu 8 million per na wotum water suna sabika for chada wadi showo kotokum ana wadi tuye 7 million of the 50 million what we should be allowed to tochen honestly a day it doesn't matter I'm found Ghana 16 regions no central region count greater Accra region count no I'm found baby obiru numsuo Rebia sa enum sa kaide enipa bi wonum sa 7 million Ghanaians wonum so either in a bottle or in a sachet wonum ya wo bottle atina bonten so multiply 7 million empty bottles empty water bottles and 7 million empty water sachet going straight on the ground what 30 or 31 multiply the 30 by 120 by how many 12 months in a year so 7 million times 31 times 12 can you imagine about orange Biagana and Rabado says in Yupa very soon very soon the insuno tano or how are you coming or you self-inflicted or your younger son let me say Magda Yana Nancy say Yana Nanumuna will appreciate the issues are among traditional authorities no will appreciate the issues are not that what readiness to support us to fight the menace. And the government Yadawa said that the men send me one year, Nina the man on ya and Napoleon so, in the man on ya and him from Kea Aka.
Regional Mr. Kasamuno Osanso Eka Nsembi Eka once Jumedie ehu na Osanso Kasafa Commander Sugar Factory ene premixing sensem ene nekeka obi so yenti ne okan
Yakanda ni ya yana naka Commander Sugar Factory wansam abro pay mama ba no ka wansam Ebia mo officer mmebu no waba there that the commander be ejuma na ya catch one day you go do ya da ya botum bia na ya hwe osande ambi ya babun enti se munye ya aduma ya zama me na kan no mamuso mohoboto sego amfra mo bai me ka wansam anya ambon kaminyim otede awona wode anyama kase akoko no woyi wona mi bia ebi wo ma awon wonfa nko nanche waagwaje na wadaba ha masa na nade minyi wo inyimizi minyi msentinsa womma womfamba ebiana isho head ma apomidin sema obenya de woba wo ba de momba ebisa bibi sunti na womma ntime sema asam woyimana mababa kan asama cha na nanom Osa na te yimede wan seda nka ho asem nem dizu amampai mama oyobia otse papa amafu asem dem se se na nan we bisa asem me do kwato na ima no oye wo bibi no be ya da ma ya na na rechen oba ma yenya employment no oye wo bibi no be ya na yobotum wa ye amaye premise ya za amampai mama na iwa de che papa Enzi yeba baby so basha yen said that issues too much about it because now one my political hands left him only and panu funa once she say you know what the admin say e binum wada wa ya smuggling that not that I am panu funa that watch I don't know why only the bobo ye wa ya she one what was artificial shortage you know ya she na yenyuna ezi dema mbrano ose medema sele bewie no mada na nanoma asidio na ya se mebunde dema ncheka da yenche da mebu benye adwuma ye na emebun mo pamocho munsim man kraina americano oye adwuma bi a meye mi wie training college mo go training college of commander na mo kwachi aduwo enkrango bi ofo asofa mo kwa asofa no me obi a me chiade no odumi minda ana me kwadi surveyor architect ya from a draftsman obi a odro dan na dem papa na odro dan no so no no ye surveyor nso atumuko bush abbe na water nsasu aga nsina me surveyor boy anu mu na mu di shanka ya mu na ma ka kakacha ga manche kasa na nura da ma di na mu shanka sa na ina mmebu na ma ba no am there eduma so ne yakawa sama na ida jama yeguma bonfia ya pamochao we get training college masa mu kosia my ma wardrobe and then the computer ba na draftsman ko ya un faso no akofam an ko say say mi na e papa abosan outside the temple mo profile mo let me see eduma so da wo ho ya wo plumbing ya wo mechanics wo ho ya wo fitting electrician ya wo nzama bebe ebo tumi yesa but obi via university over 22 years never do go straight man at my school and me straight man now so yes hanging na I don't know if you was inside and see yeah na trust said mebun you ever pay juma man na aban kuterin tum ma ejuma let me say best said the moment insurance and juma was under 24-hour economy or your mason for or your carpenter for or your painters or your obiala once and juma obey biaye afi so ending sabai pede mamadano or the mebul lusie juma ebede your carpenter ebede your mason ebede your photographer ebede your barber ejuma biala pede suano ya shati le ye church wedding mama yemfa yehu inche ejuma suam so that when I walk here one kasa we no oya what do you say elmina enchene no ye bi no ma wo ba we bo som there wo peda wo ba ye international standard and so bi abaga na ha enchene obedi no odo elmina so that what elmina enchene quality no oya papa let me see ye do baba what's what peda wo ba che do baba no wa ba ye jisum na wa che there obey ya ni na bobua mayanya ejuma ama yandi mebo no
If mantem so for ora eko pay eduamwa ochiri ne na yeti ebra na okasa ewo ejina baketui afashe no ase na yeti okasa ebo no eso a ne ekwa akopie mu ewo osunu kokoko amanyoko eye New Patriotic Party NPP na weekend here besi nche we are no eye internal elections ekwo so ewo amanyoko num na Ghana ha baby ade omubo modin ekoto waba eyi amayefo no mpanyifo a omopese omudi wo enyim efa no secretary ne treasurers ne ne kan ho ne de omokoto waba eyi omo eyi weekend na se oba Cape Coast ana so se Cape Coast North mpanyifo bebre na ekogina ya nyame adom binum etimi ehu baby a omode omo hyebre ebefa na Coastal TV ye bopni election grounds ho na ye ne omanfo no ekokotwetwe enkomo na edi nkan ye panyipa a oni ye ekasa ya ansa na abato no kra eba behyehyɛ so no opanyi Gafaru Sedu a oni Coastal TV atwetwe enkomo no o kyerem se ne ebekoso ewo amanyoko nim enna kakra ewo ye nim bosome kakra ewo ye nim enfie kakra ewo ye nim no weekendi abatoi na ebekye se amanyoko no yede beko benkum ananso se yede beko nifa ni okaka ho so eni yebe modena yede video no abramo emre pepemu na nipa ya to aso ene no etwe enkomo opanyimpa otimi ewini as secretary ema Cape Coast North na ono so ede nasem eto Coastal TV enim
wana we ya dajere embe baya oboto aba na wa sheda wapa yebe jina do ya jadi tum yada ma MP na ma bring everybody some American day instead obi biara bedinu display ana yadire baye gu ha break ana yadire baye gu obi biara wa ba gijabi aturodo na fi obeye yambe bi on fate biara dem ma wo so yi na sama aka ono ne ya ba fa do ya da mo panach eti bada mo ase ye na ya ba fa nyoko mi ye yim na mo obiara ba da super girl tigara odo mu ne da oriye obeti abra party elders or party patrons or also obey you. Now you don't have party biara ya da kotu we nti opera onfa no kwa fa yeduma no onfa brand nche biara owo onfa yeduma nti enbi badamase nyame o hye yi na mas.
Ora Stephen Kojo Ahen ono eneye chairman elect ema NPP Cape Coast North constituency no na efe yentie ne Cape Coast North secretary ekan
kade me da twedi amponasi. I give all the glory to my maker for such a wonderful day. The very day na me started the contest for the security position. We turn on was coming and meaning. End the day, wash and win your mabrabo. I'm called a Mendami Yamiasi, the Waye. Moko Akuni, the Mabia Mentanta, and as I walk for Muya and Ukoli, almost amazing Kuma, another amazing Kumi. Yamia shall win them. Minda Sina, Mazima, Kibiam for hours. Now, Mr. So, Ms. Minda for the polling station executive members, the coordinators, the constituency executive members, patrons and elders of all Cape Coast North. The way you are shame, when the Damodo, no one to Abama, the Mabaye, the constituency secretary for Cape Coast North. I don't ask him. Maybe I'm the party no musician. Oya adem nyansa nimizi ina sikara ka wode techi onye sika nozi nka e sika nyina akwa na se ni adem nyansa eni nimizi na be techi na owe prayer. I believe that apaboda muti na mko all the 15 lecture areas no mizishishe pebi mizitu na akomodo da mishishe no ina mo yisum there yegina bra ye ba party mo aye wom ne party mo aye akono. Then over the years, your numbers far no look from 2005. Honorable Babana Brodo, this year, your call honorable accuracy, you will see by 7,000 over. I believe that this is a public background. Then your team are 10 over. Make Cape Coast North, Wabe once MPP stronghold.
Neodin Kunimse Cape Coast North constituency organizer Ora John Donko and the Coastal TV at Komo.
Oh, Mama Kila Makande, Yamin Shirawan. Maybe I know more around, and I'm asking Mama Kande, say, for today, a boa pointy, within a father, a pointinella for a name of you put the same or the other. What did the city? Now I miss one of the more you need, and you put not the other, no dear. But some more catch a mug of and Yamin Shirawan. Now we in no abbey, but the hay na Yakabo, their boa, their Yuma, not the Damana Pedamacatch. Oh, one of the person that I didn't only talk with it too. And the man is one why I used to organize that. What's up for our organizer? And they say experience is the best teacher. And see, Motton Saffron, they are made that book, they are bought one station. I'm telling my kind of, you know, I can see what to be on Nipokona, Obezican. And see, Google Abba or may other opponents enough from Mama kind of way out with them. Me no Ben or Ben MPP, number one Mama John Donko. And see, Macadome, I am going to na ya mapati mfani tambomfra.
Ensasaya mpay for the buy say no eye communication officers ye beto omo so aba na yeyi omo esan say since ye be ye appointments na yeyi wo omo no ne santi na Cape Coast North constituency no eye obi a yeyi no say communications officer I friend Ora Meshak ene Coastal TV ebonkomo.
For communication officer, of I'm initially, by appointment. This is the first time I get to a communication officer. I mean, through election and not appointment. And then Message was simple. Also candidate, take post not a ha. Yen to me training communicators. So my message was the candidate. You both training communicators. Baby who they are what to my casa with facts and figures. Now what they be saying there. Since you are then you use technology. I mean digitalization. You see, there's also to an end there. May have mom. You be use all the things that can as a boy in communication with you. And I'm also saying that you proceed there. May have mom. Akasi biara ode yenya yezi eduma de communication team no e bo push ne yenya na yeza boa yen communication team no it ye ba saying na policies ne zo do but e ba saying na no zima putina ya me na dum Cape Coast lot NPP adesi delegate ohun mo na what to abamam today me busy with any na one communication officer. Yeah, I believe that for us to even be able to win an election again as a party, I mean, our message should be clear, our message should be formidable, our message should be able to, get to everyone. So in that manner, I believe so strongly that, putting structures in place, in making our communicators solid. When it comes to their communicating and everything, it will help. And then, communication is not only about CASA, but I believe that using graphic designing, using content and everything, to communicate to and also. There's a part in the strategies, there's a communication tools and strategies in the communicators so we too we delay I must say okabada we yan foforo is nkomo and then we is the party no nkomo we too wa kana wa peye am afoforo so wana adwen wa party no.
Mame nana eyi akwansa enso edi MPP amanyoko no mu tintiman pa ono so eni Coastal TV ebonkomo.
Yeah, former MP for the North Central and Deputy Minister for Interior. Former in the election year, I was the chairperson of the committee for the election. It's in the Bahala Sambaya Betty, Nandasun Yada over to Aba. Now, my kind of year, they were there, then your man, Yabaya Wahina, Sabi, I actually. All the kind of the electoral commission for police for na media for the BSA bibi na mo ambeka wo pe phone say ade ayebeye nenka me gidi dem mo nyina mo ha aye asunde na aye bokoso ni no so tinye bi enu mo sa na ni no so enti no oni de oya asunde aye asunde amam aye asunde amobi aso nti e ba di e ba da na se na mo awon mi ni so na fada ma pe ni bi ma ka ji ode through year ni ehhehye ye passion dey so na member ayeti eji ode ye ko ne ye edumazen na ye de my party no all the power until the purpose of we wish all the best sa adibia mo wosua until go ha o purpose not ha we wo eduma bi mo ye na no su food o betu wo beba be ye bi do wa boa election day young government na ye bi we you mumde we nyina we ni bi anya kokko ye wadom a wo betu wa ye eduma na me kan ko ye no don ta say adumaden a ye de be na afoforo adada wo se de bia ye nya foforo adada wo ko na foforo ba obi obeti ni mu for some time na me eduma ye nti because people dey we ni obi so obakaka na nyama bi nti wo support na nkyaya na wo wa be na me big dey obi ye eduma na wa ye ni o ma people so ahaje wo sika bi na wo be ye wo ye kakra bi pe obi tu ya di sit back nti anu na de ma kuma be dey wo de ma botu ayi na ye nyina ya betina ha nti anapa fi nkan ma dasa mfaso de baba ho emi na misambo na ho a wo hwe ma ekwa yi nyina no onimde nkinimde baba ha nti ya da wase ewade onka wo ho na asode mra.
Make our Kase boy a chogu ewo Coastal TV digital channel no so 514 Sanso and now share your Facebook and YouTube so ubehu e morning mix Kase boy and na yede esmu ye twaso ewo ensemfu from so na ye kwa kopie mu ewo aban hyehyɛ ya ode ba ye se yenye once ho adwuma yemfa eye enamienu emfansi wonti efiade etwemu ene memende etwemu ena omanfo nyina adwumakuo ankranko ye nyina ye tingu monti so say yakwa prepare yakwa siesie yakwa dwudwu yakododo ama bebia atenwan na enyentia yensa aka ne say ebinum eye asobrache a chese omo ankwa monten so say omo kwa prepare no ma yensiesie ni bi na emom no omo sanso ewo shops ni mpodo omo san biebie omo shops enkofo emeto ade na emfa emakwan so esan se enhyehyɛ ne se na ka wo se obia etu na dwuma mu obia edi na dwuma eto ho ni nyina ye kokɔ siesie na efe ye wi a obia nso akwakoye no enyuma na nipa best 25 a yensa mbenfo nsa so omumu de omo kyerɛ se ombema emra no ene omo di pa Cape Coast Mayor Owura George Justice Arthur na okasa afasa ene yeboni ya nkofo eda na di no ehono na ochemu se wansi dwumadie ni de enya ade a assembly no etoto ne form kra na obia nso a wan fa mra kwan so na wan fa ne ho anjim no emra no ene ne bedi ne nyonyonyonyonyo
campaign His Excellency John Dramani Mahama in Shisho ye there ye na no yamfa the fo ebie yamfa clean up exercise and the assembly oye government so here so yes yamu achim papa assembly achi two spa zoom line on for the ones that back drip was the ones that back on no why you fine one man or tanaze you make sure they were close one shops they show same was 25 the monk of no yes one bouquet na SMZ bia ochina there will be serious in your tax force that will go around to ensure that taxes or your commercial vehicles na pragia na no ka kan obia onke yejuma ti ochina ye wenyi sumde ababado ma bibia ayakama ne go mesin no so ne you act so na wa fanata papa ifa
Ensembia ekọ so eyeda dikan a band disi ho se yenye once clean up exercise ewo yempotam yemfiefie ene yedwuma mu na eye Central Regional Director of Education Dr. Mrs. Juliet Dufie Otame enso ebo modern edinani echemu wo Adisado College na ne etie ne se school form of nyina edo mo ho exercise clean up exercise emu ene obehwe no omato mo agu monten so a omododo na omo hwe se ahonidie edeba omo empotem ne senti ena Director of Education Central Region odinani echemu ewo Adisado College a one emofra no ekodi se adwumadie sonko aisesa
the environment well, it comes back to us. And so we are entreating you that we should develop a positive attitude towards the environment. Very soon there will be, I know you've grown a lot of trees around. Let us try and see if we can look at one student, one tree that you will nurse and leave it as a legacy in the school. So that in some years back, when you come for the homecoming, you come and visit your tree and say that this is the legacy I left. I left a good environment. You know, we are just closer to the sea. And so it is always good to maintain good environmental management to help us.
Sanso and Director General Emma Ghana Education Service Professor Ernest Kofi Davis and so ede na pro bono ebepiem ewo Adisado College ebra na oye apro ewo schools ahodo ni nyina no wahwe se obia eye wansi dwumadie yi ebia na obepiem ewo Adisado College no oye ka se eye na nije pa se adesuafo ye ani school mpanyfo abomoden amase dwumadie akwaso ewo Adisado College na ohye adesuafo no so enkran se ema we no enye eda baako bi adisuade ye na emom no omomfa nko omo dormitories omo chok boss mu bebia omo wo no omo hwe se eye once good personal hygiene ebekoso ewo ho no
se hen environment oyifia yerba no zeba enta na pe no ede yeba kanzusuafo no ho ma oye dumeza yɛn ɔmanpanyin John Dramani Mahama ɔdze abɔbɔ adze dɛ yɛnhyɛ ase ndɛ yɛn schools nyinaa reyɛ na ade saa da na mbɛsrɛ hɔn anapɛ yi na yɛahyɛ schoolfo no nkuran dɛ ma wama wesiesie ha ma wayɛ ahoka no wɔmmɔnyɛ dɛm a wɔmmɔnyɛ aboa ano pɛ so bia a wɔda a ɔyɛ dormitory wɔnsiesie hɔ so wɔma hɔ nyɛ fɛ mpo hɔn trunk adaka hɔn ntaa na hɔn edziban wɔ mu wɔnsiesie mu yɛama hɔ aso ase dɛ ifi na ɔdze yareba ba nti wɔnsiesie school no mu na school no mu nsew ama yareba a ɔnam ifi duba no w'abrɛ adze mana makɔnya edo mutu schoolfo nyinaa fo dɛ wɔndzi school mbra do sanka no na wɔyɛ asoɔdze na bi asotwe no mu nyɛ dze na seesei no wɔyɛ asoɔdze na yɛbɛtwe hɔ aso a
Director General Emma Ghana Education Service ne ena yete no mame momoden na memfa wonkopie mu ewo edwaman so enne date no 13th of July 2026 ntino omomoden anase ura Frames Oil filling station bia so na sa okasa auto petrol na say 1 liter na wota obetua 15 cedis 20 pesos sanso ena diesel no obetua 16 cedis 35 pesos wo JP filling station no petrol ne bo 15 cedis 20 pesos ena diesel no 15 cedis 77 pesos Zen filling station ema petrol bo no 15 cedis 20 pesos ena diesel no 16 cedis 46 pesos Sanso ena Benab filling station bianso ema petrol 1 liter ne bo no 15 cedis 20 pesos ena diesel no 15 cedis 81 pesos. Shell filling station so no auto 1 liter petrol like bo no 13 cedis 99 pesos ena diesel no 15 cedis 95 pesos. Total Energies ema petrol e bo no 15 cedis bacho fachame 13 cedis 99 pesos ena diesel no 15 cedis 95 pesos. Sa enso ena baby to say Grow filling station petrol no 12 cedis 79 pesos ena diesel no 15 cedis 35 pesos. Pacific ema petrol e bo no 12 cedis 79 pesos ena diesel no 15 cedis 98 pesos. Star Oil so no petrol no 12 cedis 79 pesos ena diesel no 14 cedis 95 pesos. Petrol no 11 cedis 98 pesos ena diesel no 12 cedis 98 pesos. Ena emrene krabia be makwan ema yede Coastal TV morning mix kase bono yede abano ewie yentwa ye honji aboafo nkrato ye ba na efe yede dehubon nkrato no aba bestumwo.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafa ngo no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho agwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafa ngo wo hwen so ohua ko wumu a enye sunsu aso bone ewo apomoden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi eho hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
And I want to see what you know.
My sanso Emma Wakwaba Ember Coastal TV morning mix jumedie ena ugusu a wohwe ena ye Monday nyame adom ya fe na ya hye week no ase fofo kra na make I say channel no 51 so my name digital channel 514 ana mankani ya so anu pe mi ndidi ena yesanso Facebook and YouTube na oko Facebook now search for Coastal TV Cape Coastal ubenya yesanso na oko YouTube now search for Coastal TV a ubenya ewo ho omo akwaba etiteng
adachi na azabat onam no
so pe back to manam ne e be fine bibia be okay by the time ene
okay sigan kama.
How do you know? Mr. Bibia be okay. Trust me on this one.
I can't trust you.
Why can't you?
I can't trust you.
Why can't you?
You trust it.
Okay, and then you're on your own. You're on your own. I say, so far can't you say, Nyajidi na winya wayaresa. I say, so far but you need the you're on your own in this one.
So for no conversation I should do. I yes of my member na so into
maybe yes of mommy. How do you know 7 years of mommy?
Into more so for.
They am your problem into be solving it behind the scenes. Enti no akwaba ye ba be newspaper review enti no de na wo de be sha ase amai
AFIBA daily graphic am paying actually same there ekole biara bi no ode bo mazin na fi zoom la ye hunu dwumeza wotum zo oboboa na yetumeta na makwayi o say there daily abuka wuji ayen no ama naze mapi njan ada how etum no as abraham 2026 BEC candidate begin senior high school selection July 20th. The boy turns around there was July 20th. No washa since mama be mu ye bukata. No kan chawo dey washa since fiskabla. No kan be biara mo. Nti e be so o mo mazo na fi ntumi na won shane so dam. Commit adequate resource to site to meet the deadline. Road minister to the contractor. I say nyama oboboa obi hia ma obokwa kidi hunu dwuma no mo mazo na mfanko. Na me fa ahia kungugo. Wana wasa wasa mana kwa hekwa na kwago na wafamba meba half de gugu na wasa nti nzama obobo odoso de gugu site na no for contractor nti na ye hu oye ordinary contractor ano auto blog theater no blog no atumu wewe wasa asa akafufu nti adequate nzama bamadna for question.
If you want to talk to them directly.
What?
Or are you going through the corners?
Oh, President, friend, contract a road minister. I know tomorrow. Kasa chila. Nti asema oye bi na amra disu. Aye dem wara woza. I'm a change asem ba ma for anko.
The new center and I dey to so and miracles abuaje emfonyi da ha. Ose miracles to contest for NPP communications director. Into no enche obejina se yento no so aba no meye NPP amayoko no omo communications director. You banks SDIs lose 273 million Ghana cedis to fraud between 2022 and 2025. In so far, 2022, eba 2025, ebesi afi 2025 now. Banks any SDIs sika omahwe enam fraud ejuma so fraud jumedie so sika 273 million Ghana cedis enomahwe. Dr. Baumia urges defeated aspirants to back winners into no MPP primaries no across internal elections no course ebi edi nkunim ebi nso di nkuko ai say honorable wari mpo na Dr. Baumia ka show say bomodian na fa support nyina fatai omo omedi nkunim no echi esan say together we stand divided we fall eno ne aseme free Dr. Baumia nchen eba Mahama Opoku Ajiman leads a nationwide cleanup behind President Mahama and the Vice President and omudi enimu say leadership by example cleanup exercise of course the moment na Flagstaff half oman sanso ankotna I can't say helicopter mu so an shofo na emum no omusi background so say na emope no grounds ho and oman kasa kita shovel ene praye ene sekan ne wheelbarrow na kanka ho no mu clean up exercise no nti eno ne the new sentence mbia ode aba ewo ha say
so calling the kitchen daily guide the gua in Abutrika plead not guilty in US the mean so ababu the gua into Abutrika the no some no so cry time afa trika afa abu afa trika afa habu into your moment in the fee and what a cry time to make can gunshot work MPP pools Okotechi AFIBA arrested yeah into the man on the so to see Chicha no kaje krata to or injection no le so to moto aba ndero ran ko
injection to denzo
abana oboto
election
no
oh okay especially constituency okay
I forgot to get the paper ready so karata na ba mazana fi etumina kinkan yeko picks up Dennis Miracle Boaji we are very encouraged to be that nti e bi wakata na chichichi ayo adoso ehu na yeso yerokwa anani yiwa anso bacho nti epenyi na kana sem two Nigeria arrested over murder in Tamale nti issue guda wotum na woye hwehwem etum na afam
the Ghanaian Times and the etwaso improving waste collection in Accra activates 6 waste transfer stations. President directs Zoom Lion. President Mahama and all country Zoom Lion for ni say omo waste management stations bi ananka yatum kaneno say na woso musanso ebie san say omo hia say omo be ye recycling ni ekeka nka ho nyina lack of training undermining nkukọ nketenkete program krata yi echem say training entity a yemfa ma poultry farmers no na omo fa ni sa nkukọ nketenkete program nti no ama dwumadie no the way na ye pen no enya saa na ekono integrity adaptability key to career successes ABSA chief risk officer tells UESD students na ABSA bank chief risk officer na catch adisuafo bi say opese wo career wo profession ejuma opese wonya ne dachi ne ekọ wani ma bomodi ase obekura wo mudiem integrity no na afen so adaptability bomodi ase emredane a obedane ho bi eno na ebeboa wo ewo ejuma bia wudim no police destroy 8-acre Indian hemp farm in Volta region. Police for abomodin asay we efuo bia 8 acres omo asay no eno ne krata Ghanaian Times or the abano pe na nyaminsu minim kakra ene se abani ye se ankasese no obema kwan for wa pese undia we for medicinal purposes no oyesa anka obema kwan mo manfo aye but eno no ya nhyeda nti ho sem se oma pass ana so mo pass nti eno so ne ensem bia ekoso ewo ehasei na Ghanaian Times ni nyina na maka.
The publisher krata no the ABDULLAH and the Yoko Pex Miracles ano krata ni afa nyina oho the Master MPP demand immediate release of Miracle no so we something for the obo mazana fi we oya Miracle abuaje Bawumia backs new executives call for unity. Kano Mampene now the current fiber of MPP. I say Otidono, Yina Imbo, Democracy can also in a community of Nudra, neighbor to Yina Yakut Nefi Tumna, Yambua, no Unqueen Papa. Mahama, President Mahama tells Zoom Lion, open waste transfer station now. Yes, I'm a period to my catcher. The Edubohin trial Atachia gonna say a Yoko investigation into Atachia and so or the next etum na by Kibizo Chebi into MPP MP demands probe. Chebi Zongo shooting. Yo, yeah, if you be
Yanko Nimna Yanko Daily Democrat and President Mahama directs Zoom Lion to open transfer stations to ease waste disposal. Medikai Akahwa Asem da. Azuma Resources rejects black voter takeover claims. Sanso Enna, head of Puma Energy Africa, pays courtesy visit on NPA chief executive. And no head of Puma Energies. Our da Africa nyina anono obo omaba besra National Petroleum Authority chief executive officer. Sanso Enna Linda Oklu rallies Greater Accra against flooding. Inti Linda Okrunso edi animu se Accra obi owo Accra bia no omomodin. In fact obi owo region ni na obi amomodin na onkeka no se ne be ya flood no yensanso enhu biem. Ebuako South MP condemns violence at Chebi Zongo. Yo enoso ya kan wansem da Mohammed's nationwide sanitation campaign a year cleanup exercises na course no enho asem wa ha say GJA warns against press attacks and slaps no capital S capital L capital A capital P P small s na just say ejina ho ma bibi enye literal slaps asumbo ni mo ejina ho e ma bibi eno na GJA mpanyfo owura Albert Jumfo national president ni mfonyi eda ha say na omo kase omo ebonyo so eya na ni ye bi a omanfo bi ede ye eye insentrofo ebro bebrebe ene time bebrebe ya na ekoso no omo ebo enyo so kra eno ene the Daily Democrat nsema no pay ode aba e front pages so
the Daily Post so no yetu regional carton some of the brand endorse maybe to say your man paying President John Desewat general training exercise across Accra Metro. Ebisun chaka president John na Accra na John Central region so bu na se wa kwai
so nyamba Central region because okay anka oso mbra Ashanti na oso mbra Upper East Upper West aba
2 days YouTube ko na bi
na o minister kan ye dey to fuel egu aircraft to say cars and then o ban so a convoy dey chiro
correct
ni na accommodation you
right Accra from Baromia Tojis national cleaning exercise into so Dr. Mahmoud Baumia kaka adwumezi bia wetumo ye ho nti yamba politics no otum na orokodo yenko name.
The Ghanaian Point and Amede Etwaso National Security Coordinator thanks Ghanaians for massive support during post-flood cleanup exercise. Na National Security Coordinator and na Ochemu se oda Ghana fo nyina ase bebre se flood no nechi exercise cleanup exercise abane ye se obia anya no obia de ne ho jimu massively ache se obia eye bi oda obia ase. Zoom Lion deploys over 200 trucks and personnel for post-flood waste evacuation exercise. And Zoom Lion so at omanfo edwumayefo agumonten so say cleanup exercise na ye no bola ye titi free gatamu ne ye dodo ye ne ye prapra ye omonko sese ni nyinara se ne be ya enkoba ne se ye wie no kos 90 na ne yetia ne se Cape Coast ha no me ankasa me ni tue bi acha so omote gatamu no omuje egu gata na no na kos 90 ankonko si hwe nti no shonshon ensema ekoso in other matters. Baumia urges unsuccessful NPP aspirants to unite behind newly elected executives. Medinkai akahu asem dada sanso na miracles abuaje picked up by police and so will have say meche Iyoko sanso and an intention to declare an answer to contest for National Communications Director NPP and also ewaha. Universities must produce creators, not just degree holders. Ochenhene ena o kasei ochemuse suku pon ahodo aye wo ewo Ghana has universities technical universities ene ne ekeka ka ho nyina no obi amomodin se nkola anase adesuafo a ebetete wo mu amomo aba abonten no mo ye nkofo a omo ba be ye nnuma enye ne omba be ne ne okita certificate o de ba be hwehwe edwuma o ne mum ne onankasa ba obetimi aye edwuma mechire ne obetimi ebuye edwuma obetimi ede idea bi aba ebetimi di aye edwuma obetimi start the company start business bi Ghana ha say enye ne okita abodin krata keke certificate keke nemum ne obetimi ede nnwuma aba Ghana ha say the informer and amede etwasi na o say Third term debate, don't drink the poison, Mahama advised. And also matters arising in the Munchemu Ebebremu Baumia edges losers I Makamu Asem Dada. GMET urges bold climate action as 2026 rainy season forecast raises alarm over floods, disease, and food security. Intino Ghana Meteorological Agency and na omuche say e was say yede enhyehyɛ a etiapo enhyehyɛ a emu ɔden enhyehyɛ a ejina ne nan so yede ye adwuma e wɔ Ghana ha say e fa ye climate change actions no ho a I was say yede enhyehyɛ papa egu akwa me say 2026 we no omuche mu say nsuo na ebeto no insuo chenchirenche pa na eno no ebema flood ahodo nde enye etonye ntwaye bebre is on the way to come banis flood nso nya bape na wo se ohu se yare enamu cholera typhoid malaria ni nyina enamu na eba na se enya ko banis ape insuo no etwi afa nkofo poultry farm so etwi afa nkofo banch nkofo board nkofo potatoes eso eba ne sanso na ekom kese pa na eda yanim a enche ye be face nti eno ne won na efi GMET akache na eba GJA besties at NDC over Obatampa radio attack eye infinity mantem Obatampa radio eye NDC chairman ekoya omokoye nyemanyema bia na ensem fata ma chese station kwa yatu mu eno energy GJA say ehene ha why is here so obedi nyamransem bia etesa nti no so ensem ewo ha say combating garbage challenges Mahama directs Zoom Lion to operationalize transfer stations yedin kan wasam dada interpreting Ghana's constitution to distort our democracy. Let's not skate on thin ice nor sit on dangerous explosives eye koku anyidohu na ultra says ye church ye constitution mu ache omanfo a mame ndane no ame ntumfutwo ngu nkrofo ani ba ne saa na akwa se ne time bomb no enche ebe explode eno ene nsema ewo the informer anopai de ubonkratai or the aba the Ghanaian points and so emsemedin kan wansem krata na say repeating ho I say okay Mamento Sunko the source newspaper commercial phase of Nkoko Nketenkete to start. Minister of Agric Ora Eric Opoku ena ekase se eye Nkoko Nketenkete project no se no yeju biaye bia ye betimi aton Nkoko na nkofo enyen wo mo no eno ne nsema ewo ha last week na o ka se nkofo bi se omonkoko no omamoma aduane amoma amoma ya akase adosrade ne nso omunya nkofo emomo meto na chese ho ne yadu commercial stage nti enchekra Greek minister chese ebesha ase baumia to MPP ane medin kan wasem dada mo amu lucy eno mo support o mo wini ye Mohammed's third term agenda under fire nkofo bi Irene almost call eba President John Dramani Mahama the third term na aye as obeko third time as onko 10th time and also your matters arising yo miracles abuaje the intentions for comms director communication director MPP no ewa ha President Mahama direct MZ Enekrat and Obia ka Zoom Lion and President Mahama amo ensensem yo the Republic Press essay disaster looms at Ashaiman, Middle East, and also an insema. Was a petrol tanker goes up in flames, sends warning over workshops under high tension cables. Na eye okopemu ewo Ashaiman, Middle East hona omoche se petrol tanker bi ejedam a so gidigidi kra na bebia ekoso ye nso na chese high tension poli bi esi ho ama asom ama eno so akwakoye asem kese pa ewo Ashaiman ho no anti-galamsey raid turns bloody miner takes bullets in leg na galamsey for your more hard dream bebrebe na omone eye task force anti-galamsey task force so akwakodi ehia ache se galamsey ni ba kompo no wagituo aboba ewo ne nan mu eno so ene nsema ewo ho yo Ghana Health Service say no cholera outbreak after floods, but public must remain vigilant. Ghana Health Service and eka echemu say cholera outbreak bia embaye insu yiri echino yente yenhui se cholera outbreak bia aba nemom no e so bia nso ema nani da ho se aboa wo san se cholera no de tie haban so oye list mistake ubenya wo de. Chief Inspector in trouble, police probe officer over alleged ownership of illegal sex structures. Na police ni penyi bi so na ne ho achi no na nhihwemu e kire se omakwa akwachi police ni penyi bi a na like owo bibi e fen say brothels like esa edan na hodo efie hodo a ho no obi anim say aha say ya hyawo adwuma na ekoso o ko wa na chese ahyawo line na wo ko na sa police ni owo sa edan ni bi a sex trading ni sex ni nyamanyama ekoso ewo ho yensa asonimu. Auditor General's report cites 3 million pupils in schools learning under trees. Na sa asemi na me fi say ye jaika kamia say daso a ewo ho. Auditor General echiremu say asukufo ahodo eye pupils best mako 3 million and na sese amno ka say omoda ho a esua de ewo nnua ase omoda ho omo ni classroom omo ni apata bi mpo no masua omoda ho asua de under trees ewo nnua ase eno enso ene nsema ewo Republic Press. The Daily Statesman and Namede was the Daily Statesman and so a day Miracles Abuaje arrested by Iyoko arrest after declaring intention to run for NPP's communications director. Na the Daily Statesman echema Miracles Abuaje no yeche no abra na we declare or amansa o declare ni intention so oba be running for NPP communications director ewie no and chakra na Iyoko ezwano yo oche hene enso asema Okanche University say omo entrani adesuafo a ombetimi abecreate omo ankasa omo business enye ne okita certificate keke ewa ha. Akosua Manu urges SC to dismiss suit on Mahama's third term. Akosua Manu na Okanche Supreme Court say omo mbo ansembia efa Mahama ne third term no hono omo mbo entungu. Ngoko ankete to go large scale commercial madin kan aka ho asem da ntino minsanso enka ho biem. ISDEC ICEDEJ Africa get parliament to commit to policing proposed district child labor fund. Na ISDEC Africa na omatimi abomodin ama parliament agya to mu se bibi friend say child labor fraud ehun ensensem no omo be hyemre bi a efa saa ensensem no ehun ntie no the Daily Statesman newspaper anopay na ankamehwe women and leadership at me hu yen toaso na yen ko the Daily Gist de bia okwa odibiba na chese gist no de aba anopay no Abwakwa South NP demands probe into military shooting at Chebi Zongo. Yakanwansam dada. Sanso and a national security assault TikToker for linking Mahama to alleged 32 cows buried for victory. Na mokai last week reporter Edebre mo say TikTok bi akwa cancer President Mahama eku nentwe mako 32 ansa na obabenya power na police for nsa so ni mu no na anopay updates ene say mfonyi adaha no echese national security police for abro na ebro a chese ya sabro no ya bro na say ya done, you are finished, it is finished for you. Now show marks that done in someone chese assault kese pa na ekọ so national security for omo assault sa maame no eno ne nsema ekọ so ewa ha say Mahama's third term agenda catches fire as Supreme Court prepares for 3 suits. And no Supreme Court share no say omo de 3 suits bi be court no makwa kodi sa asem no enam President Mahama ne third term bia boboba ayese bola suja no afi na nwisie no epu na eno nso ne nsem a ewo so ekoso ase. Vice President unveils Julius Debra's book. Julius Debra ni book bi a watcho no na Oto Nsafre Vice President Emma ono so kopie mu hodi nani monyam etacha launching no ekoso fe. The National Voice and so essay Obum Asafuache accuses Kaswa police of brutal assaults and right abuses, alleges police torture, attempted extrajudicial killing, appeals to President, IGP, and Interior Minister for independent probe. Obum Asafuache ena omo chese omo accuse Kaswa police say omo ye niema bi a enso enimi hu yanka police ni de wo ane say okwa akwachi obi a wafum emra no na ode na fa emra kwan emra kwan so na chese court na be chese yemfa ne nkwa ha na yemfa ne nkwa ha enye wo na wo ba bebu nipa no apapa nani so abro no bra chese eso bi mada na eno nti ena Obuma Asafuache echem say Kaswa police omu was suban no pa omu assaulting crofo pa eni edis omu san so omu ombe bro left right center answer na wasem be court no na wa ne afa wani ase no ese wani sasa make show education must build character not just career UPSA lecturer bi na kasa say womasua de e wo say ya ade a ebe siesie wo character wo suban na emom enye se adwuma a wokọ akoye nko a na ebe cherechew ne ekọ akoye nimum ewumasua nso wo se de usuban ebe mesese usuban ma usuban ye papa ti ye ka se nkofo nse so usuban ni ade na education so eboa. Well, the Evening Mail and so as a fighting trafficking and child labor eyes the consensem no medin kan aka ho asem okay insem bebre na e wo ho na no ya ka ho asem ye and no miracles abuaje gini din je ne ho ntra ha pa won newspapers no emu mi hu my scrolly sa mehu women and leadership makoy CCC mamensaka yo responsible mining reforms gain momentum under ama mawusi mawunye fia no oye national coordinator for responsible cooperative mining and skills development COMSDEP na ono na ochim se newspaper no echem say na efiti say yede madam ama mawusi ebedi sa dibre no as national coordinator for responsible cooperative mining and skills development no illegal mining no eso kofom nkofo responsible mining edimu mining na farm na kwan so enansen pa. Gloria Adey Kotei honored as Ghana's most outstanding women in luxury and executive aviation. Gloria Adey Kotei oye Ghanaian aviation entrepreneur na abasubode bi akwa wane se ne dwumadie mu no obono ho modern pa. Shamima Muslim deputy presidential spokesperson say made in Ghana products must conquer Africa through innovation. Say ye pese niema ye ewo Ghana say made in Ghana goods. Etimi ekọ Africa nyina na agidi wa Africa nyina na esese saa niema ni nyina no yede innovations ahodo technology ano adwuma se ne be ya enye dada niema ye nemum no bibi sunku bi ebededi wo bibi a wo ye mu eba ne saa na ewiasa fa na nyina so bebo agye so Nana Akosua Sechiwa Insia elected NPP Techiman South constituency women's organizer yo yemano. Congratulations.
Buy him out of politics.
I don't buy him into politics.
Go to me. But Ibijin is a beautiful baby.
To me, the bit me, but say, Bia, Ubeka, Ubeka, position. But who knows, Ebia in the same Biba. Yo. Howard Kumsin, former member of parliament for Ewutu Senior East, NPP Women's Front needs courageous visionary leadership. Howard Kumsin and Ochim say Emma Dibre ewo MPP muno. Ebi hia say Emma omuwa kukudro Emma omuwo enisuade hunu ebetimi enu omu aye adwuma ewo MPP amanyokuni eno ene ensema ekoso ewo women and leadership hase aha ne yedi ni na besi ana o ma o di beso so
ayego
yeah.
Ayaje nde be ma ya mbe nti gwai no alofa ha nti ebede rabas papa do tuma ba bensem na mom waka ne tiri mu hu ado biere se na yimi fitini de ne mu hu ne na mo tiri mabusha fra ma administrator star waka no yo hu ambere bia twitwe na yimi so the elephant daughter so elephant son it's in
ben is that not pan
in the budget mo ka jana sikano so okwo yibir na de chance na alba
aba some na what me news ba but dey asa
nti wa ya de no wa ife
eso ba chewe dwa ya na chese de
ani yibir ka yuta de chance na be
so ba o chewe dwa ya na wo ye de
ani yibir
na chance ye abaze
no hu nso
o choose me na
no hu nso ni spell number ntuma no hu nso nti ebere na si ebeda yan hiwasi we say ibiara nkanfo ahwe wo de minti ehweme ebetro nti nkanfo da no waji nemu edan yo yaba na ebohwe MPP or aftermath election in the matter.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.